Concrete pumping Greenwich CT supports efficient, clean, and accurate placement for projects of every size, from residential concrete pumping Greenwich, Connecticut to commercial concrete pumping Greenwich Court. A local concrete pump company, Greenwich CT, can handle ready mix placement, concrete delivery support, and concrete placing for jobs that need speed and precision. With concrete pumping near Greenwich CT, contractors can streamline foundation pours, slab pours, driveway concrete placement, patio concrete pumping, and sidewalk concrete placement while reducing labor and improving finish quality. From Greenwich Harbor concrete pumping to mid-country Greenwich CT concrete placing, the right equipment keeps pours moving on schedule. Foundation concrete pumping Greenwich CT is essential for reliable footing placement, wall pours, and structural work that demands exact delivery. A Greenwich CT concrete pump truck can move material into forms quickly, even where wheelbarrows and chutes cannot reach. For homes, additions, and larger builds, residential concrete pumping Greenwich, Connecticut helps achieve smooth, consistent placement in basements, footings, and slab areas. For commercial sites, commercial concrete pumping Greenwich CT supports faster turnaround, fewer delays, and cleaner job sites. Whether the project is in Cos Cob concrete pumping, Riverside CT concrete pumping, or Old Greenwich CT concrete pumping, precision concrete placement makes a measurable difference. Tight access concrete pumping Greenwich CT is the ideal solution when space is limited, access is blocked, or terrain makes traditional pouring difficult. An on-site concrete pump and concrete hose service can reach backyards, narrow lots, and congested commercial zones with ease. Greenwich Connecticut line pump service is especially useful for patio concrete pumping Greenwich CT, pool deck concrete pumping Greenwich CT, and sidewalk concrete pumping Greenwich CT, where control and flexibility matter most. For properties in Belle Haven Greenwich CT concrete pump service areas or West Greenwich concrete pumping locations, tight access pumping reduces mess and helps place material exactly where it is needed. Boom pump service and Greenwich CT boom pump rental options are valuable for high-rise concrete pumping, large foundation pours, and broad slab pouring services Greenwich Court. A concrete pump truck with boom capability can place ready-mix concrete pumping Greenwich CT over obstacles, across distances, and into elevated forms without excessive manual handling. This makes concrete pumping, cement pumping, and concrete delivery support far more efficient on demanding jobs. From concrete placement services Greenwich CT to large-scale commercial work, boom systems improve productivity, especially when dealing with wall pours, footing placement, and complex structural builds. Driveway concrete pumping Greenwich CT requires even distribution, proper flow, and dependable timing to achieve a durable finish. Concrete hose service and line pump service help contractors place concrete smoothly across residential driveways, walkways, and curb areas with less waste and fewer interruptions. Greenwich CT concrete pump truck service is especially useful when the driveway is long, sloped, or difficult to access. In areas like Belle Haven Greenwich CT concrete pump service, Riverside CT concrete pumping, and Cos Cob concrete pumping, a local concrete pump company Greenwich CT can support precise placement from start to finish. Patio concrete pumping Greenwich CT and pool deck concrete pumping Greenwich CT are popular applications for homeowners seeking clean pours and accurate finishing. Because outdoor living spaces often include landscaping, fences, or tight side yards, tight access concrete pumping Greenwich CT and residential concrete pumping Greenwich, Connecticut create a more controlled process. Concrete pumping near Greenwich CT helps keep fresh ready mix in motion, reducing delays during warm weather and improving overall placement quality. Whether the project is in Old Greenwich CT concrete pumping or Greenwich Harbor concrete pumping, reliable cement pumping supports attractive, long-lasting surfaces. Slab pours and foundation pours demand speed, consistency, and dependable equipment, especially when the schedule is tight. Concrete delivery support combined with concrete pumping helps crews manage large volumes of ready mix without unnecessary downtime. Greenwich CT concrete pump truck service can assist with basement slabs, garage slabs, and commercial slab placements where even distribution matters. For builders needing affordable concrete pumping, Greenwich CT, an on-site concrete pump offers an efficient way to complete work faster while maintaining quality. Local service across West Greenwich concrete pumping, Mid-Country Greenwich CT concrete placing, and Greenwich CT boom pump rental areas helps keep projects moving. Sidewalk concrete placement, wall pours, and footing placement often require careful control to avoid segregation and ensure a uniform finish. A Greenwich Connecticut line pump service allows crews to route concrete through landscaped areas, around buildings, and into narrow forms with precision concrete placement. For contractors handling commercial concrete pumping, Greenwich CT, or residential concrete pumping, Greenwich Connecticut, this flexibility can save time and reduce cleanup. Concrete placing, grout pumping, and shotcrete application all benefit from the same attention to detail, especially on jobs that demand exact positioning in Greenwich, Connecticut and surrounding neighborhoods. High-rise concrete pumping and large commercial concrete pumping Greenwich CT projects depend on powerful equipment, experienced operators, and a strong understanding of site logistics. A concrete pump truck can move material vertically and horizontally with less strain on crews and less risk of delays. From ready-mix placement to concrete placement services, Greenwich CT, the goal is always efficient, precise, and dependable delivery. Whether the job is in Greenwich CT concrete pumping near Greenwich CT, or specialized Greenwich CT concrete pump truck service, professional concrete hose service and boom pump service help ensure successful results for every pour.